Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to King Graph channel. My goal is to get to 1 billion within 30 minutes, which is very high. So let me just train. This is not my freaking boat. The blue is my freaking boat. What the hell? So, as I said, my goal is to get to 1 billion within 30 minutes, which is I okay. Within 30 minutes, guys. Within 30 minutes. That's my goal. My goal is to get to 30 minutes. My goal is to get to 1 billion power within 30 minutes. That's very hard. Bro, that's hard, man. That's hard. So, my mic is very fluffy right now because I like it. So, guys, so I can't AFK. I can't AFK because if I AFK, I'm dead. Bro, I need more pets. So let me just buy more pets, guys. So let's buy more pets. Yeah. Come on. Epic. The best one, the best one, the best one. Dragon, not bad, bro. So let's go and equip my best brain. I mean pets. Ah. It's still going. As I said, I need 1 billion power within 30 minutes. Within 30 minutes, bro. Within 30 minutes, guys. We need 1 billion power with actually 30 minutes, guys. Okay, so let me just clip my mic in here. So guys, I'm just gonna roll some pets first because I need much gooder pets. That's why. So auto open, then let's go. I hope my phone don't fall, bruh. Blue fish, let's cancel this.
Yung blue na yan, tanggalin mo yun ha. Ipasok mo na lang doon. Ako na magliligpit pa ha.
Just click the cancel to finish. Oh. So, oh, another dragon. Just one more dragon. One more dragon. Give me 4 more dragons. 4 more dragons, guys. 4 more. You keep giving me blue fish. Dude, I hate blue fish. Oh, one more dragon. Easy, easy, guys. Bro, I'm definitely beating my record, guys. I'm definitely beating my world record because, as I said, I hope. So let's go. Bro, yo! As I said, guys, I need 1 billion power within 30 minutes. I think I can do the goal. So let's go wait. Bruh. I'm sorry guys if I AFK'd because I actually need to AFK. I'm sorry guys if I AFK'd, guys. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry guys. I'm so sorry guys if I AFK'd too long, but I'm sorry. Okay guys. 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 Oh, sorry, tama. Accept. Accept. Okay. I can't do that voice anymore because I don't know why. But I don't know why I can't do that voice anymore. The voice over. Okay, I still can't do it. So we are still not done. So guys, what time is it? 7:47. Shut up. So guys, what y'all doing? And let's say okay for 1 minute.
Bakit malamig pa doon?
Okay guys, I'm not AFK because it's too long. Like I said, I need 1 billion power within 30 minutes. I'm doing this videos for you guys.
Sabi ko sa'yo, dapat dapat doon sa white eh.
Oh wait guys, let me just switch to a private server. Okay guys, why do I always forget to do a private server, dude? Let me just go here, create private server. What? So let me just turn this. Let's go! Finally have a private server. I hate public servers because everybody keeps annoying me. Keeps annoying me. That's what I mean, guys. So let me just Yay! I'm solo now. Yay! So I ain't AFKing. I ain't AFKing, guys. I ain't AFKing. So let me just claim this. I thought come back tomorrow, but I didn't get the owl. Bro. Bro is a scammer, dude. What is my best thing right here? So I'm just gonna upgrade you. Okay, bruh. Okay. So what? Shut up. I ain't doing nothing but not AFKing. So, dude, look at myself. I have literal effort. So let's wait for just some. Let's wait some seconds. So let's race, guys. So let's race till I get to 10K. I'm gonna stop. Until I get to 10K, I'm stopping. The back hurts, bruh. The back really hurts. My back actually hurts, guys. Oh, got 500 power now. Thank you, bro. So let me just leave and let me just buy some trails. So I'm gonna buy this trail right here, then equip. Yeah, I have trails now, guys. So I'm definitely much faster now, which is I don't care about them. I don't care about being faster. Like I said, my goal is to get to 1 billion within 30 minutes. Like I said, yeah. And it's definitely being hard. If I not do it to 30 minutes, I'm still not gonna end this video. I'm gonna wait until I get to 10 billion, then I will 10 million until I end this video. 10 million within 30 minutes. I'm gonna switch my goal to 10 million within 30 minutes now. Because as you can know guys, I definitely can't reach 10 million within 30 minutes. I mean 1 billion within 30 minutes. So I'm gonna stop doing that goal. I'm gonna stop doing that goal, bruh. Bruh. So rewards. Play in game. Play 16 minutes in game. I'm gonna play 30 minutes in this game, bro. Not just 15. I mean 16 minutes. I'm gonna play 30 minutes, dude. So our auto. So let's go. Ow, dude. Why, bro? Give me something else, dude. Bruh, I literally got the worst one I could get. Oh, wait. Guys, 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 guys. Okay. I'm sorry if I'm beatboxing, but I just want to beatbox, guys. So let me just train. So let's go. My back hurts, bruh. Ow. My shoulders, bruh. Bro, my back hurts, bruh. So let me just close this. Let me just. Guys, I'm using my mic right now. I don't know if I'm doing it actually. That's why I'm using my mic so my voice is much higher every time I post. Because I want it like that, guys. I want it like that. I want it like. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Guys, guys, guys. Yo, guys, I'm back. I'm just talking and talking and talking and talking and talking and talking. Okay. Oh, I'm already at 5 million. Like I said, I switched my goals to 10 million within 30 minutes. 10M. 10M. 10 million within 30 minutes, guys. I can do that goal. I think. Okay, guys. Yo. I'm not upstairs yet, but I'm gonna go upstairs later because I don't know why I do not go upstairs because my AC is still on fan, still not on cool. Oh, my brother said it's cool, so I'm gonna do it later. What time is it? I'm gonna do it at 10 a.m. I'm gonna do it at 10 a.m. I'm gonna post another video within 10 a.m. So, just need 10 million within 30 minutes. 10 million within 30 minutes. I think I can reach 15 million within 30 minutes, guys. Because as you can see, I already have 5 million and only 15 seconds. I mean, 14 minutes. So, guys, I might do 20 million or I might do 10 million. I don't know. So, let's go. Just wait. Then, um, I'm just gonna hold my mic then because I don't know why I'm holding my mic right now, but I'm just holding it. So I'm just holding my mic, guys. Just holding my mic. Just holding my mic, guys. So I'm using one hand to hold my mic, like every YouTuber. Like, oh, I forgot. I almost said Tyler, but I forgot Tyler doesn't stream. He only do videos, not streaming. Only does posts. So claim that. And what do I need? Need. So what can I buy right here, guys? What can I buy? So I just bought this mic at Shopee. So as you can know, I have a Game Boy that doesn't work. I'm gonna my mom will buy me one when it's my birthday. But my birthday is August 25. And it's little 3 months more and 25 days. Dude! It's May right now, right? July, May, June, July, June, July, August. 3 months more and 25 days. When it's August, I hope I will get the advanced birthday. Like I said, on my birthday, my mom will get me another Game Boy. That's why I still don't have a Game Boy because Game Boys are just like $500, I think. But it's just 500. But I only have 250 on my freaking wallet, bruh. Only 250 on my freaking wallet. Like I said, but I'm 7 years old. I don't even have chores. So I'm good thing I'm a YouTuber right now, so I can earn money within my Gcash account. Which I'm not gonna say you. Oh, I forgot. Dude, what you doing? Oh, I hit 6 million right now, guys. I'm almost at 10 million. 10 million. 10 million. Oh, I'm sorry, guys, if you smell my voice right there. I haven't toothbrushed yet. Yeah. I haven't freaking toothbrushed yet. Dude, that's why I'm lazy. That's why I'm called lazy boy. I'm called lazy boy, dude. I'm called lazy boy. So guys, let's just do our job then. How many power do I have now? I'm laying down right now. That's why I can't see. That's why I can't see my phone. Or you just stand up. I mean, sit properly. And I still have 6 million power, guys. I still have 6 million power. This mic is from my mom. My mom bought this mic. The other mic, I'm sticking my mic right now in the box of the mic. That's why I'm not holding it. I'm only holding the box. When I grow up, I will PC. I will get a PC, guys. Well, family PC, yeah. Dancing on the shadow is wine. The shadow is my mini. Bruh, how do I make my mic like this? Do I make an invention, guys, or no? Do you want me the guys to make an invention like this mic? My mic. So like this. Okay, guys, let me just go on my mom's PC so I can move there. So let me just put my mic right here and just there, guys. I'm here at my mom's PC now, which is I'm not playing. 'Cause my mom is literally working right now, guys. My mom's working. That's why. So, the thing that I'm gonna do. What time is it? 8:02. It's 8:02 a.m. right now. It's literally 8:02. I should be sleeping 8:02 a.m. 8:02 is my. I need to sleep at 8:02 at the morning. Dude. But I just played the video, but guys, like I said, oh wait, I have my phone stand right here. And let me just put it right here. And here, like I said, I'm downstairs. That's why I found my phone stand. So, I'm not holding my phone right now. It's just on my mom's. Yeah. So, what can I do? What can I do? What can I do, guys? What do you want me to do, guys? Just AFK here? Okay, guys, see you in a minute. I'm just gonna AFK. Yo, guys, I'm back. It hasn't been a minute yet, but it's actually a minute now. So, we are back here. So, what can I claim here? Right here. So, I can't claim anything in there. Can't spin. So, guys, I can't do anything. I can only play, so I ain't AFKing, guys. I am not going to AFK. Like I said, guys, I ain't AFKing. What the? Why is it so slippery here, dude? Oh. So, guys. Second, just stand by my. Oh, no. My mic, mic almost fell. So, guys, what can I do right now, guys? What do you want me to do? Wait, guys, I'm just gonna get water real quick. Get water. Oh. Wait, guys. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back. Yo, I'm back, guys. What y'all doing? So if I AFK, like I said, because I got water on my mom's. I have water now, so let me just drink, guys. Oh. Hydrated. Let's go. So let me just push here. So guys, what can I do? So let me just click to continue. Then what can I equip best? So so guys, I think I can do my goal. I can. I think I can do my goal, guys. If I do not do my goal, please, guys, don't be angry at me. Please. You can make the rules, but I'm the YouTuber, so I still can make the rules. So as you can know, I have a laptop that's broken, but it still works. But you need to plug it to work. Like my Game Boy doesn't work anymore because my product crashed out. Okay, just brought it down. So what we are doing right now, bro? What are we doing right now? This video might be not 30 minutes because I can bro. So far, this is my favorite game right now, guys. Bro. So let me just get this thing right here. Then this is my soldier guard right here, bro. Like I said, I have bodyguards. Joking, I don't have. Joking, guys, I don't have a bodyguard, bro. Because I don't need a bodyguard, bro. I don't even film outside. So okay, wait. So not done yet. Guys, watch y'all too. Wait, yeah. What y'all doing here? So, bruh. So what are we doing, bro? So that's all, guys. Peace. Love y'all.